Hello. There is an air horn. Yes. This air horn. Jack, can you give me it? Squeak. It's show MLG. It's an MLG air horn. Dang. Why isn't it working? What are you doing?
Just doing that.
Now when it's night, it's gonna glow in the dark. Oh, it's so MLG. Duh. Alright. I hope you enjoyed this air horn. Not. Oh, just so you know, if you ever get this thing, do not put it up to your ear because then you'll be totally 100% deaf. So do not put it up your ear. I'm actually being serious. Do not. I never tried that. Just don't. Alright. Get set, go. Okay. Lol. When I read it, it said, do not shake it. So, don't shake it. Don't know what it is. Pursuing for what? Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.